We met online on a website.
The dating website I went on was not the same dating website that Paulina went on. We talked on the phone for about 4 weeks before we actually met. We didn't actually talk, we only text.
And we just started texting and we liked each other straight away.
But it was such easy texting. It was so comfortable. It's like we knew each other.
So we went to the wine shop and then we went for Thai because it's our favorite food. And I think he fell for me straight away.
She and I was meant to happen. You know, I needed something exciting in my life, and she brings me that.